Hey guys, welcome back. This week I make a mountain shelf for my son's bedroom. I wouldn't say this is exactly an easy project as it's got many miters. It really tests your patience and accuracy of your miter saw. So if you want to see how I made this, stick around. I started this project off by cutting 3.5 inches off of an 8-foot barn board. This wood came from the hardware store with one side smooth and one side rough. I decided to use my sander to take away some of the roughness to give it a more rustic look, but yet not be so rough. My wife and I decided that the shelf might look kinda neat having the inside painted, so we decided to paint the inside black and stain the outside. I found it easier to paint and stain the board now rather than when the project is finished. After I finished painting, I cleaned up one edge on the table saw. I know. Nothing bad happened. I should have used a push stick. Woodworking is dangerous and only use this video for entertainment purposes only. Don't do as I do. After I trimmed down one edge, I then applied stain and let it dry overnight. The cut list is 2 pieces at 12 inches, 2 pieces at 8 inches, 2 pieces at 4 inches, and the last piece on the bottom you have to cut to fit. On my shelf it ended up being around 24 inches. Once the stain has had time to dry, it was time to head over to the miter saw. All of these angles are cut to 60 degrees. I found it challenging trying to figure out which way these angles had to go so that I would have the black side on the inside of the shelf. It is very important to make sure that your 12-inch, 8-inch, and 4-inch pieces are all exactly the same length with each other. I decided to use brad nails and glue to hold this shelf together. It's very important to make sure that your miters are tight and lined up properly. Then it was time to trim the bottom to fit. I then applied 3 coats of wipe-on polyurethane. If you like this project and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.